Dear students, this is 11th zoology video class. Last video class, we have seen breeds of dairy animals. So, as we have seen earlier, there are 26 well defined breeds of cattle are there. Then 6 breeds of buffaloes in India are there. And also, we have seen how cattle are classified. The cattle are classified into based on their work are based on the cattle served to human. That is dairy breeds, drought breeds, dual purpose breed. So this is what we have seen last class. Then here next topic we are going to see is the one common diseases of cattle. Common diseases of cattle. A healthy animal eats, drinks and sleeps well regularly. A healthy cattle appear bright, alert, and active in their movements with a shiny coat. Just note it down. 2 marks. Define healthy cattle. Cattle are affected by a large number of diseases. Cattle in ill healthy appear dull. So this is another 2 marks. Define ill health. Define ill health of cattle. Ill ill health means infected by disease. Infected by disease. Restless and change posture frequently with drop in milk yield. The main diseases of dairy cattle are rinderpest, foot and mouth disease, cowpox, hemorrhagic fever, anthrax. Then uses of dairy products. Uses of dairy products. Milk products is produced by dairy animals, which is an emulsion of fat and lactose. Milk also contains enzymes which are destroyed during pasteurization. Pasteurization means boiling of milk we call as a pasteurization. Milk is rich source of vitamin A, B1, B2 and deficient in vitamin C. And meat, next topic is the one meat. Meat is rich in protein and also contain many minerals like iron, zinc, vitamins, selenium. It also contains vitamins needed for human diet. Then land management. Grazing of livestock is sometimes used a way to control weeds and undergrowth. The measure manure, not measure manure. Manure can be spread on agriculture field to increase crop yields. The next topic is the one poultry farming. The word poultry refers to rearing and propagation of avian species such as chicken, turks, turkeys, geese, quail, and guinea fowl. The most common and commercially farmed birds are chicken and ducks. The types of chicken breeds. There are more than 100 breeds are there. You can underline, take your textbook, take your pencil, underline. The commonly farmed chicken breeds are categorized into 5 based on purpose for which it is farmed. They are egg layer, broiler type, dual type, games type, ornamental type. We'll see one by one. What is egg layers? Just underline. These are farmed mainly for the purpose of productions of egg. That is example they given Leghorn. It is the most popular commercial breed in India. It's originated from Italy. Underline. It's originated from Italy. They are small, compact with single comb and wattles with white. Comb means on the top of it, it will be there, that is we call as a comb. And wattle means below that beak will be there, that is we call as a wattle with white, the brown or black colored. They mature early and begins to lay at the age of 5 to 6 months. Hence, these are preferred in a commercial farms. They can also thrive well in dry areas. The next example is the one Chittagong. Repeat all of you, Chittagong. It is a breed chiefly found in West Bengal. They are golden or a light yellow colored. The beak is long and yellow in color. Earlobes and wattles are small red in color. They are good egg layers and are deciduous. Just underline Chittagong is the one good egg layer. They'll ask you one word. Deciduous means very tastiest one. Delicious, not deciduous. Delicious means tastiest one. The broiler type. Next type is the broiler type. These are well known for the fast growth and soft quality meat. Example, white Plymouth Rock. They have white plumage throughout the body. The feathers because of plumage. It is commonly used broiler productions. Broiler means egg layer productions. American breed is fast growing breed, well suitable for growing intensity in confined farms. The next one is the one dual purpose breeds. These breed for both meat as well as egg production purpose. Then examples of dual purpose is the one Brahma. It is a breed popularly known as massive body having heavy bones, well feathered and proportionate body. The peacocke is one of the important breed characters. It has two common varieties, namely light Brahma and dark Brahma. Here, these are the different types of hens: Leghorn, hen and cock, and light Brahma, hen and cock, white Plymouth Rock, hen and cock, Asil, hen and cock, silky. So these are the examples. The next bird is the one game breed. Since ancient times, special breed of roosters have been used for sport of cockfighting. Asil, examples of game breeds is the one Asil. This breed is white or black in color. The hens are not good egg layers, but are good in incubations of eggs. It is found in all states of India. Asil is noted for its pugnacity. Pugnacity means a fighting breed and high stamina and majestic gait and dog fighting qualities, although poor in productivity. This breed is well known for meat qualities. Asil breed. Then ornamental breeds. These ornamental chickens are reared as pets in addition to their use for egg productions and meat. Then silky. It is a breed chicken as a typically fluffy plumage. Fluffy plumage means that plumage means the feathers which surrounds around the body, like puffy like structures, fluffy like structures, which is said to feel like silky and satin. These breeds are numerous additional special characters. The black skin and bones, blue earlobes, five toes on each foot. So these are the special characters you can go through. Then types of poultry farming. Types of poultry farming. There are different methods used to rear both broiler as well as layer chicken. Broiler as well as layer chicken. The types of poultry farming are free range farming, organic method, yardening method, battery cage method, and furnished cage method. So these are the methods. Among these, the battery cage method is widely used in large scale poultry farms. The free range organic and yardening methods are eco-friendly, and the eggs produced by such farming practices are preferred in the market. Then steps involved rearing. Steps involved in rearing. There are some steps involved in rearing of chicken. Selections of the best layer must select an active intelligence looking bird with a bright comb, not obese. Obese means not too fat, should be selected. The selection of eggs for hatching. Egg should be selected very carefully. Egg should be fertile, medium sized, dark brown shelled, and freshly laid eggs are preferred for rearing. Eggs should be washed and cleaned, dried. Then incubations and hatching. The maintenance of newly laid eggs is optimum condition. Still hatching is called incubations. The fully developed chick emerges out of eggs after an incubation period of 21 to 22 days. There are two types of incubations, namely natural incubations and artificial incubations. Natural incubations methods, only a limited number of eggs can be incubated by mother's hens, whereas artificial incubations, more number of eggs can be incubated in a chamber, that is because an incubator. Then brooding one, caring and management of young chicks for 4 to 6 weeks immediately after hatching is called as a brooding. Mark it 2 marks, important. It can also be categorized into two types, namely natural and artificial brooding. And housing poultry. To protect the poultry from sun, rain, and predators, it is necessary to provide house to the poultry. The poultry house should be moisture proof, then rat proof. It should be easily cleanable and durable one. Then poultry feeding. The diet of chicks should contain adequate amount of water, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, and vitamins and minerals. Then poultry products. The main products of poultry farming are eggs and meat. In India, the primary aim of poultry farming is to obtain eggs. The eggs and poultry meat are richer source of proteins and vitamins. The poultry byproducts. So the feathers of poultry birds are used making pillows, quills. The dropping of poultry can be used manure in the field. The number of poultry byproducts like blood meal, feather meal, poultry byproducts meal, hatchery byproducts meal are used as a good source of nutrients for meat producing animals and poultry. Then poultry diseases, ranicate, then coccidiosis, fowl pox are some common poultry diseases. The benefits of poultry farming. The advantage of poultry farming are it does not require high capital for the constructions and maintenance of the poultry farming. It does not require a big space, and it ensures high return of investments within a very short period of time. It provides a fresh and nutritious food and has a huge global demand. It provides employment opportunity for the people. Then duck farming one. Duck is an aquatic bird and forms only 6% of our country poultry populations. There are about 20 breeds of ducks are there. The native one includes Indian runner, silent meta, and the exotic breeds includes Muscovy, Pekin, Alisbury, and Campbell. The domesticated ducks have been derived from the wild duck named mallard. The farming ducks is profitable as it can be combined with the aqua farming practices. Then peculiar ducks. The body is fully covered with oily feathers, and they have a layer of fat under the skin which prevents it from getting wet. The types of breeds. There are three types of breeds ducks depending upon the purpose which it is farmed. Meat productivity duck breeds and egg productivity duck breeds and breeds for both meat as well as egg productions. Then advantages of duck farming. They can be reared in a small backyard where water is available and needs less care and management as they are very hardy one. They can adapt themselves to all type of environmental conditions and or breed for feed efficiency, growth rate, and resistance disease. So that's all with this topics. Just we are completed chapter 13 for pure science, and also we are completed chapter 12 for biomax students. So if you have any doubt, you can contact me with WhatsApp. So today we are completed duck farming and by poultry byproducts we are completed, and steps involved rearing, the stages involved rearing. It's very very important. 5 marks. Just go through, learn by heart. And different types of birds we have seen, poultry we have seen. Yeah, this is the one. Then afterwards we have introductions of poultry farming. Okay, bye. Take care.